Hi YouTubers, this is gonna be me doing a demonstration of my little mini wooden alarm gadget. In case you haven't seen my other videos already of the little mini wooden alarm gadget, this video is gonna be like a demonstration of me demonstrating the different codes on it, like such as on a fire alarm or any other type of alarm. The different fire alarm codes that I'm gonna demonstrate for you are march time horn, code free, and continuous. In case you're wondering why I'm not gonna do slow whoop or high low with the wheel lock, empty, multi-tone, fire alarm, horn strobe, in case you're wondering why I'm not gonna demonstrate those codes, is because on this one it doesn't really have the capability to do that, but the other ones I can do that for you. And I'm also gonna demonstrate probably some like different other type of codes too that I probably can do on this manually, and I want you viewers and users to guess what those other codes are on my video. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'm gonna start the demonstrations now. Here I go. Alright YouTubers, I'm just wondering something. Did I demonstrate the pulse code or the supervisory code? Because I know that some fire alarms have that. Like, I think the simplex fire alarms have those. Tell me, anybody or any user, please tell me what those codes mean, or if I did those codes or not. And also, please do not forget to rate and comment on my video. Bye bye, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.